SW212. Let's do some math. All right. Let's see if we can figure this out. Let's read it carefully, and then we'll get going on it. George makes a $200 down payment for a car and then pays $400 per month. Elaine makes a $600 down payment and then pays $200 per month. What is the number of months when they have paid the same total amount of money? Explain. All right, so I'm going to write George's equation here. George's equation is going to be, he pays $200 plus he pays $400 each month after that. Now I'm going to write Elaine's. Elaine's equation is going to be, she pays $600 plus $200, a little bit less per month. I want to know when they're going to have paid the same amount. So I'm going to take these two and set George equal to Elaine, and we'll solve it. So 200 plus 400m, m being the number of months, we'll set that equal to 600 plus 200m. All right, let's get the m's on one side and get this thing solved. This has more m's, so I'm going to get rid of the side with less, just to keep it positive. So I'm going to subtract 200m on both sides. On the left here, I'll have 200 plus 200m. On the right, I'll just have this 600 left because this canceled out. All right, I need to get rid of the 200 because it's on the side with the variable. Then we'll get rid of this multiplication piece. So let's subtract off the 200. Left with 200m on the left and 400 on the right. And we'll divide both sides by 200. M equals 2. It wants us to write a little something. It wants to, what is the number of months that you will pay? Since this is a story problem, I'm going to answer this with words. George, make sure I spell George right, and Elaine will pay the same amount at 2 months. Sorry. Southwest 212, over and out.